Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office this Christmas Eve. Now, for many, it's dry for the next few days. Actually, the biggest problem, particularly if you're travelling, is going to be with fog because it's quite thick in places, but most areas are dry. I say most because there is a little bit of rain across parts of southwest England, and that's spreading into parts of South Wales, affecting Pembrokeshire in particular. And we'll see the cloud increasing in Northern Ireland. But elsewhere, it is generally dry, but some places the fog hasn't shifted, particularly the central belt of Scotland. Temperatures here not getting above freezing. Elsewhere, we've got some bright, sunny conditions, lifting the temperatures to 4 or 5. It is milder in the far southwest, but it is also rather grey and rather drab here. Now, through the afternoon and into the evening in particular, the fog is likely to thicken up once more, especially over the Midlands, parts of northern and eastern England. So we do have a yellow warning in force through much of the night. So that fog is potentially going to cause a few problems if you're on the roads. Further west, it stays cloudy through the evening and there'll be a little bit of drizzly rain. But the picture as we go into Christmas Day, nothing too much for Father Christmas to worry about. As I say, just the potential problems with that fog across parts of eastern England. We'll also see the cloud thickening up across the far northwest, a little bit of drizzly rain pushing into the Western Isles of Scotland. But in eastern Scotland, down into northeast England, with clear skies here, it will turn cold. A frost is likely through the Scottish glens, maybe down to -4 in places. Compare with much milder conditions across Wales and southwest England. And that east-west differential will continue through Christmas Day. Again, across the east, if you're travelling early Christmas Day morning, just be aware it could be quite foggy, parts of the A1M down to the M25, parts of the M62 in particular. Elsewhere, again, it's a largely dry but mostly cloudy start to the big day. There will be a little bit of rain across the Northern Isles of Scotland, and we could see some spots of drizzle elsewhere, particularly over high ground in the west. But for most, it's just a cloudy Christmas Day. And we should see skies brightening a bit across East Wales, parts of southwest England, eastern England too. If that fog clears, well, we could see a bit of sunshine, but it will be fairly weak sunshine. It's not going to lift the temperatures too much across the east. 5 or 6 at best, and if that fog sticks, again, temperatures will be lower than that. It's in the west where we'll see the highest values, and quite a mild Christmas Day here for some, 10, 11, 12, maybe even 13 if we do get brighter skies. Travelling on Christmas Day night, again, there could be some fog patches, most likely across parts of the east. And we'll start to see the cloud thickening in the far northwest with a bit of rain trickling into the highlands of Scotland by the end of Christmas Day. Into Boxing Day, again, there will be some wet weather in that northwestern corner with the breeze picking up too, but that's the major exception to the otherwise dry story. Again, predominantly grey on Boxing Day with, again, the likelihood of some mist and fog here and there, which could be slow to clear once more. And again, if the fog sticks, temperatures will struggle. But generally, we're looking at 9, 10 or 11 Celsius. So certainly across the east, quite a bit milder on Boxing Day. High pressure remains in control then for the next few days. These weather fronts will bring some of that rain around on Boxing Day, but they're tending to fizzle out, and high pressure will mostly be in control through Boxing Day and beyond. Generally, for the rest of Christmas week, it is largely dry, often cloudy. Again, the main problem for travelling around will be with some thick fog patches. For the very latest Met Office warnings, visit the Met Office website or download our app.